Alright guys, I've got this little Dodge D50 or a Ram 50. It's got a little 4-cylinder automatic with overdrive. Truck runs and drives. It's got a cheap little eBay Chinese carburetor on it. The original factory one was gone when I got this. Somebody put a Weber knockoff and it was even worse than this one. This one is idling now. It's idling kind of high, but sometimes it idles, sometimes it don't. Sometimes it idles high, but the truck does, once you're going down the road, it works fine. All the lights work, turn signals, horn, wipers, even the washer. I mean, everything in this truck works. The radio works, but they've got it wired up where it stays on all the time. So it does kill the battery. The AC works. It's not super cold, but it does come on. The compressor comes on. It gets cold. Does all that it's supposed to do. Transmission's good in this thing. It works really good. It's just through all the gears. I sent an email to Puddin to see if he wanted to buy it, because I thought, well, he's close enough. It's got an Oklahoma title. He could drive it home, and he likes these little mini trucks, but I'm sure he gets probably hundreds of emails a day, so he didn't respond. And that's fine. I just figured there's got to be a YouTuber out there somewhere that could, make sure I turn them lights off, that could use this little truck. It's got 78,000 original miles on it. It's super straight. It's got some little dings here and there, but look at the bed of this thing. All the glass is good. Other than the seat, the interior is all good. The headliner, door panels. I mean, I'm asking $2,500 for it. And that's not bad, I don't think, for a truck this straight with 78,000 original miles. Pretty much zero rust on the chassis or underneath it anywhere. It's solid as a rock. Short bed, 2-wheel drive. And then I've got this 55 Chevy Project. I've got to get a couple of wheels for the front. I've got the fender, I've got the grill, I've got the inner fender. It's going to need floor work done like most of these, but it's not bad. I've seen them a lot worse than this. The trunk is in really good shape, but you're seeing what you get. You get a basic, not even the correct steering column. No seats, no other interior whatsoever. I think all the glass is good in it. Has a little rod in here, but little bondo on the door, and the Chevy firing order, if you forgot what that was. It's got some aluminum S10 wheels or something on the back. I don't know what them are off of. It's an S10 bolt pattern. I've got two other engines that go with this. One of them is a 327 with a granny 4-speed that come out of a grain truck, and the engine will run. I've had it firing and trying to run. I've got a rebuilt starter for it. The other engine is a 283 that come out of a 57 Chevy, and I actually have videos of it running. I'll show you that one. I've got it in here so it don't get rained in. It actually had some water in the oil, but it was just condensation. It wasn't a blown head gasket or anything, I don't think. But there it is. 283, set up for a manual transmission with a flywheel instead of a flex plate. Still got points ignition. I actually bought plugs and wires and stuff, or no, I think I just bought wires and a cap and rotor. And I hooked the coil up. You can go look through my videos, or I'll try to link that video where I actually have that engine running. It may just be a short, but it does run, and it actually runs pretty good. But the oil definitely needs changing. So for the 55, and I have a title for it, and I also have a title for that. I've got the title for that that's signed by the owner before me, because I was going to put it in my name and I never did. So it's an open title, and I also have the title transfer sheet. I had him sign that too, so I didn't have to worry about that. So I've got that. Same thing with this. The guy I bought it from signed the title, signed the transfer sheet. I have all that. That was in his name, free and clear. I mean, it's definitely a good project, or maybe somebody like Dee Dee's Speed Shop wouldn't mind driving all the way down here and converting this into a two-door, because he's good about doing that with 57s. But there's a lot of good material here. I mean, frame needs a lot of work, which originally I had plans to put the 55 body on this dually, but the wheelbase is different. But that's also for sale, but I do not have a title for it. It's got a fuel injected 350, and I think it's a 700 R4 in it. And it's got a really straight van front end. I know a lot of guys rebuild these things, and that's a really good front end. Door panel, seats, everything in that thing is in great shape, minus the camper. The camper is junk. Same thing with this Toyota. It actually runs and drives, and I did a Will It Run video on this. It's a true 1-ton dually. The camper's junk. The truck is great, other than it's the 3-liter V6, which you hear good things and bad things about them. I have plans for that. I'm trying to get rid of a bunch of stuff so I can get my shop finished and up and running. So I'm going to get rid of a lot of stuff. Plus, I need to buy other things. But this I'm going to try to hang on to, because I want to get that camper off of it, close in the back of the cab and the roof, and build a flatbed on it, and then sell that. And that would make a good video doing that whole process. So any of you guys out there in YouTube land need that little Dodge pickup, you can drive it home, or need this 55, I got a way to load it on a trailer for you, and maybe you can do something with it. And that will come with, like I said, 2 engines and 1 transmission. I guess you could throw that 327, that old granny 4-speed in there, be a one of a kind. But I really need to get these things sold, guys, because the sooner I get them sold, the sooner this shop gets finished, and the sooner I can start making videos out of that shop. So I'm getting excited. I need to haul in some gravel, because when it rains, this is just a big swamp. But for now, I just need to get it up, get a roof on it, get walls where I can start working out of it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you know somebody who wants the 55 or the 88, hit me up in the comments. I'm in North Texas, and I'm making deals. Later, guys. Thanks for watching.